Hi guys, I am Prathith and I work here as lead digital signal processing. I work on the signal processing of the radar data to convert from raw level to deliverable products, and also of course on the optical images, so raw data to a deliverable data product. So I've been interested in this signal processing aspect long back from my college days, and I've been into radar signal processing from past 5 years. As a lead for the digital signal processing, I lead a team of 5 to 6 people. And my day-to-day activities generally includes working on research for the algorithms. We develop algorithms for image restoration, enhancement, and focusing techniques for SAR. And I interact with vision people, hardware people, to actually bring everything together in order to get the best data product out there. The SAR data is not intuitive and optical data is not available all the time. GalaxEye is one of the unique space tech-based companies who is focusing on building world's first sync-fused products. So it's trying to solve a very niche problem. So that is what is fascinating for me, to create data products which is like available all weather, all the time. Basically, any sensors out there you build, like let's say radar or optical systems. So whatever they capture is not visually intuitive, or it is not analyzable data set that is out there. Especially in the case of radar, you just get a set of sine waves and cos waves, and no one can analyze about any target or any information. So this has to be converted to a very good analyzable data products. So that is where I work in. I create algorithms to successfully convert the raw signals, like which is not understandable, to get it to a good, meaningful data product. Take SAR, where we'll be able to synthesize a good resolution data even though our antenna lengths are small. So all the magic is actually happening in the software itself. How do we do that? Is actually we work on some algorithms like the range compression or azimuth compression based algorithms, where we take the raw data and try to find the better match for like how do we actually get optimal and best data sets that is there. The team is pretty young here. The average age of the whole GalaxEye is around 27 or so. They are coming with the fresh mindset and fresh thought process to solve unique problems. And first time we are solving this in the world. SAR and optical, we are fusing it and both are on the same platform. So that is the biggest point, and everyone has to join. And the other thing is, of course, it is coming back again to the company's culture. So where you get to sit with like people, young people, enthusiastic people, and brainstorm and actually solve the problems. For example, when I was actually working on the drone-borne project with the data processing team, so we used to go on the field and we are visually able to analyze and see this is the data which is coming. And we are able to directly correlate the things and solve the problem better and faster. So this kind of opportunity is given by GalaxEye. All the stakeholders, team members come together, whether it be we have to go to the field or we have to go to any lab or do testing or anything, we do it in closely working with the teams and hardware that we are dealing with. And yeah, I'm here at GalaxEye, enjoying building data products for future of Earth observation.